In today's video, we're diving deep into the ROK Solution AI, the latest AI software to hit the market. If you're curious about whether this is the best new AI tool or just another overhyped launch, you're in the right place. I'll be sharing the 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in, so stick with me to the end, because I'll reveal some surprising insights about ROK Solution that might just change how you look at AI in your business. First off, ROK Solution AI has recently been making waves, and for good reason. This tool is packed with advanced automation features, designed to streamline various processes like content generation, customer outreach, and even social media management. It's a comprehensive AI solution for businesses looking to scale quickly and efficiently. One thing you'll immediately notice with ROK Solution AI is its user-friendly interface. This software was built with both beginners and seasoned professionals in mind, making it easy to get started without a steep learning curve. It's intuitive, allowing you to jump straight into its core features without needing an advanced degree in technology. Now, if you've been frustrated by AI tools that just don't seem to deliver on their promises, you're going to appreciate this next feature. ROK Solution AI focuses heavily on customization. Unlike some AI software that forces you into rigid templates, our ROK Solution lets you mold the tools to fit your exact needs. Whether you're running an e-commerce business or providing client services, this software adapts to your workflow. Another critical point is its speed. When testing our ROK Solution AI, I found it to be impressively fast. It can generate high-quality content in a matter of seconds, making it a game changer for marketing teams or anyone needing to churn out blog posts, social media captions, or emails quickly. And if you're someone who relies on AI for outreach, the tool's ability to personalize messages at scale is nothing short of remarkable. What truly sets ROK Solution AI apart, however, is its built-in analytics. As businesses shift towards data-driven decision-making, this tool provides valuable insights into how your content and outreach strategies are performing. With detailed reports on engagement and user behavior, you can quickly tweak your strategies to improve results. Now, the pricing model for our ROK Solution AI is something worth discussing. For a limited time, you can try it completely free. That's right, you can get hands-on experience with the software without any commitments. Just click the first link in the description below, and you'll be able to see for yourself whether ROK Solution is the right fit for your needs. Trust me, the free trial alone is worth checking out. The one downside? Like many powerful AI tools, it's not perfect. While it delivers on its promises most of the time, I found that the AI can sometimes be a bit too robotic in its tone when generating content. But that's something that's common across AI tools right now, and it can be easily refined with some human editing. Finally, one of the most exciting aspects of ROK Solution AI is its potential for integration. Whether you're using Shopify, WordPress, or various other CRM tools, our ROK Solution integrates seamlessly. This makes it an ideal choice for businesses looking for a cohesive solution to streamline operations. So, if you've been searching for the best new AI software, ROK Solution AI is definitely worth a look. Whether you're looking to automate tedious tasks, generate content quickly, or improve customer outreach, this tool has you covered. Again, you can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. And if you're interested in finding more AI software that I've personally tested, make sure to check out my recommended list in the description. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I only recommend the ones that actually deliver,